This is going to be a video tutorial on how to use the scissors tool in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to jump over to a different artboard where I have a couple shapes here. The scissors tool is used to cut breaks in paths. You could divide objects by using the scissors tool. The scissors tool is located in the tools panel off to the left hand side here. It's located under the eraser tool. If you hold down the left mouse button on the eraser tool, the tools that are under it will appear. You got the scissors tool and the knife tool. The keyboard shortcut for the scissors tool is C. I'm going to go ahead and click on the scissors tool. And now I'm going to click. You can click on anchor points or paths. Like if I want to click here, and then I'll click on the bottom anchor point. Now I'll go to my selection tool. Now I have divided this circle, and I can color it any color I would like. It's two different objects now. Another thing you could do with the scissors tool, I'm going to select this object here. I'm going to turn off the fill to where it's just an empty box. I'm going to go back to my scissors tool and say I wanted to remove this, let's say I wanted to click here, and I'll click down here on this path. Now I'll go back to my selection tool and I will separate these two. Now if I press Ctrl J, it will rejoin that box there, and I'll select this one now and I'll press Ctrl J to rejoin that. I'm going to go back to my scissors tool. I'm going to select this anchor here by clicking on it, and I'll select this anchor down here by clicking on it. Now I'll do the same thing. I'll go to the selection tool. I'm going to go back to the scissors tool here, and I'm just going to eliminate this line altogether right here. I'm going to click right here, go back to my selection tool. That's what the scissors tool does. You can divide objects, you can click on paths and separate paths, divide objects. That's a scissors tool though. Thanks for watching.